This is my first video, and I'm going to do a Fidget review because it's Christmas Day today, and I got some Fidgets for Christmas, and I love Fidgets, and I'm going to do a review. So first we'll start with the first one. I got Baby Yoda, Solar System. I got a remote control. A remote control and a giant Christmas tree. Look how big this thing is compared to my hand. Yeah, it's just so big. Why is it doing that? I got a King Kong Poppet. I got some French fries, Minecraft Steve, a robot, puzzle piece, and I got a whale or a shark, I can't tell, a rocket, just a yellow puppet, a Nesbo puppet, a pencil case puppet, a robot puppet, a Godzilla puppet, Among Us puppet, and here we go to my things that are small, but yeah, there's my Pikachu puppet, my USA puppet, and my other orange puppet. So that's my caterpillar noodles. And that's my Pop 2. That's my dinosaur keychain puppet. Those are my two Dimpls for Christmas. And that's my squishy football. And those are, I don't know their name, but what's theirs called? What's theirs called? Nothing. I forgot what they're called. No, mesh and marble. Yeah, mesh and marble. Some noodles, monkey noodles, a basketball spinner, fidget cube. I got that today. Some lizards. A puzzle cube, but I don't know how to do it when I first got it. Like I got a Nito, I got a fidget spinner poppet, wacky track, like a fidget gaming controller thingy, a blue Pop 2, some golden putty, a gel-filled monster squishy, like one of those things when you squish it, the things come out and its color changed, right? But yeah, and I got some stretchy lizards. Yeah, I remember I did. And I got a Santa spinner, Dark Knight Poppet, Batman, world's smallest Poppet. So you want to see the world's smallest Poppet compared to the world's biggest Poppet? I don't know if they're actually world's smallest and biggest, but I just think they are. This is how they are. Look how tiny it is compared to the big ones. Yeah, so that's cool. My teacher gave this to me, by the way. I got a Ryan spinner, a bean pod, and another Ryan's World spinner, but it's pizza. A bean pod. Why is it? My bean pod is like growing a little mark on it. Do you see? Let me see. It's growing like a red mark on it. Yes, so there's my bean pod. I got a French fries squishy, golden putty, a puzzle ball, infinity cube, like a world squishy, acupressure ring, and those little things that are like the keychains, and you do a maze cube. Two of these little fidget guys. No, they're like little guys. Not at all. That can do anything. And that's it for today's video. Bye.